right over here. Sorry, and this is, I put this on him, put this on Sunday, and it's really cute. Me and Peace Puppy 4042 have best friend necklaces. That's today. I'm going to show you my new makeup lady. So yeah, Belle's ear. Detached. I mean, I was just watching the smoothie challenge by Ian Elizabeth. I'm going to do it, the smoothie challenge today, but I will sometime I'll make a video. Because me and Peace Puppy 42, I do probably do with her because we did that blind taste. And we put it together and then like, she gave me peanut butter and mustard, and so I ate it. And then I made her try it, and in that case she threw up the next day. It was just so disgusting. Now, I really love her. I love my that ice cream puppy. It's really cute. So I'm gonna cut her tag off. Delights ice cream puppy. Okay, what's with Delights? Okay. I don't know. I'm gonna cut the tag off. When are we going to take the covering off our washer?
As soon as Dad and Papa put it into the wall.
And the washer. And there's like a cover. Yeah. It's not really green. In the video, I keep wanting to call her Daisy, but in the description, I called her Josie. Can you point that out? I'm sorry, her name is Josie. I just keep saying Daisy. I keep calling her Daisy by accident, even though it's Josie.
Oh.
It's funny. I'm gonna get my iPad. I love her. I recommend getting it. Yeah. My iPod. You burst. And this is where I get all my cute dog pictures. Let's see if we find these. Yeah, I gotta go to my cousin's to babysit. So I make video there. Crazy videos. Why are blues so popular? Like, Pet Puppy. Okay, we're gonna go make a video with my other weapons. So yeah, bye.